My review of Mugler, I keep wanting to say Fashion Nova. Oh my gosh. Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. If you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Mugler Angel Nova. So if you guys want to see this review, go ahead and stay tuned. Now, with this perfume, I kind of had my eye on it as soon as they released it. I just like the way the bottle looked, honestly. I like the pink look that it had, so I was just like, okay, I might want to purchase this. And then I saw the price and I was just like, not today, not tomorrow, not next week, not even next month. I was just like, no, because the last Angel perfume that I purchased, it was not my favorite. The only Angel perfume that I kind of like is Angel Au Corsair, and that was like the only fruitier spinoff that they had at the time of Angel. So I did purchase that one, and it's a unique scent, but I like it. It's not something that I wear every day. So I was just like, okay. Once I saw that they released a new one, I was just kind of debating on if it would be worth it to purchase a full-size bottle. So the original or full-size bottle of Angel Nova retails for $100. Which for a nice perfume, luxury perfume, kind of, it's not a bad deal, kind of. But that's if it's something that you really, really like and you've smelled it before. For me, I've never smelled this before, so I ended up going with the travel size, which retails for $28, which is way better than $100. So let's go ahead and look at the packaging for this. It's pretty much just like every other travel sprayer. It comes in this thin box that mimics the full-size box. So yeah, it just comes in this pink and white box. The box is really, really cute. And let's look at the actual bottle of this perfume. This perfume bottle is shaped just like Mugler's other travel size sprayers. They all have this shape to them, and I think it's really, really cool. They can't stand up on their own unless you stand them upside down like this, which that could work as well. So I think that that's really cool. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the notes of this fragrance. Surprisingly, this perfume is classified as a fruity floral scent. For the notes of this fragrance, the top note is juicy raspberry. For the middle note, there is upcycled rose. And for the base, there is daring akigalawood. Akigalawood, I know I'm butchering that, but that is the base note of this fragrance. So let's go ahead and see what she smells like. Wow. Okay. I'm really, really surprised at this because the first thing that you smell is the juicy raspberry. Like, that's the main thing that sticks out in this fragrance. And it's nice, it's very refreshing, and it has that juicy, fruity smell. When they said juicy raspberry, they were not lying at all. You really get those juicy notes. And also, I'm trying to see what else. Honestly, I'm not really getting too much of the rose at all. Not at all. I'm mainly smelling the raspberry and almost the woodsiness of the base as well, but not even too much of that. Like, this is very much a summery scent. It's very bright. Like, it's very different from Mugler's other fragrances. And I also think that it's nice that they're releasing it, or they released it right during the spring and summer months, or right before, I think it did launch right before spring started. So this can be people's summer and spring scent. It's very bright and just girly. It's very feminine smelling to me. It smells very fruity. Like, that's the main thing. Y'all know I love fruity scents. So this is very, very nice. Honestly, if I had gone with a full-size bottle for this perfume, I think this is definitely worth the full price. It definitely smells nice. If you're into fruity floral scents, this is definitely one that I would recommend checking out, especially for summer. This is just very, very nice. I honestly did not think I was gonna like this. I will probably be using this up as well. And I might even buy a full-size bottle in the future. This is definitely something that, in my opinion, would be worth the price. Like, now I'm kind of sort of regretting not getting the full-size bottle, but like, you guys don't get how angry I have been. Like, when you spend a nice amount of money on a perfume and you get it and it does not smell like what you want, it kind of feels like a waste. I like collecting perfumes, so I have a lot of perfumes that I kind of don't care for, so I just take the L and go on about my business. But like, it gets tired after a while, especially when you're spending a lot of money on these perfumes. Like, you want it to be something that you, even if you don't like it, you can kind of tolerate it. I know I say I recommend a lot of fragrances, but this one, if this is your taste, if you like juicy, fruity scents, this smells like a grown woman's summer fragrance. It's not preteeny, juicy type fragrances. It's very, very nice, and I think that a lot of people would love this. I mean, I love this. So guys, as always, I will have the link to this listed in the description box below, so you guys can go directly to it and look at the notes and look at the description and see if you guys would like to purchase it. So guys, that was my review of Mugler. I keep wanting to say Fashion Nova. Oh my god, Nova is in the name, and the Nova is shaped just like the Fashion Nova. I can't with this, but anyway, that was my review for Mugler Angel Nova. So if you guys like this review and want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and subscribe, and as always, I hope to see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.